Clash checking just got easier with the introduction of the custom clash detection options available now with the SSI 2023 R2.1 release of ShipConstructor. With the deprecation of the interference checking tool found in legacy versions of ShipConstructor, custom clash checking allows the user to create custom selection sets via the load manager. While local clash checks are useful for checking the drawing being worked on, and global clash checks can be run against the entire model, custom clash checks allow for a much more refined clash check that can include all or part of the project. The end result is a clash check that includes only the parts that are required, saving time and reducing the background processing required to perform a model-wide clash checking operation. ShipConstructor Custom Clashes can now be run against all major project attributes, including drawings, assemblies, parts, goods, and all other load manager options. Furthermore, these selections can also be saved in XML file format for reuse again in the future. Improve clash checking efficiencies with the implementation of custom clash checking in the 2023 R2.1 release, now available on SSI Nexus.